Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Google Play so discounts tie to the right account. Once signed in, open the Play Store and go straight to Offers. This shows time-limited deals and promo codes. Make sure your preferred payment method is set, saved card, or Google Pay, because some discounts apply only to specific methods. Also check email or messages for promo codes. If you have one, copy it now. These first steps let you apply discounts without losing eligibility or encountering checkout mismatches. You pick the item and proceed to checkout. This is where discounts convert into savings. Once at payment, choose the card or Google Pay balance that matches the offer conditions, then tap Redeem or Apply Offer to enter a promo code or pick a shown discount. Make sure you see the new total with the discount and any tax adjustments reflected. If it's a subscription discount, note the trial period and auto-renew terms so you avoid unexpected charges later. You finish by confirming the purchase and verifying the receipt in email and Play Library. This ensures the discount applied correctly. Once done, if the discount didn't show, clear the Play Store cache, sign out and back in, and re-attempt checkout with the same payment method. These actions often resolve stale offer data. If problems persist, contact Google Play support with your account and transaction details. They can check promo restrictions or billing errors and restore the correct discount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.